Alright, they are here. I know I'm not going to be able to do this one-handed, so give me just a minute to get the box open. Alright, box open. This is my first batch of calendars to go out. There will be another batch going out. I also got some note cards because somebody bought some note cards, so I gotta get them in the mail as well. So there's the note cards. I can't do hardly anything with this hand, so hold on. So, alright, so there's the note cards I got going out. And in this other box, in the arm, will be the calendars. And here we go. There's the front of the calendar, because this year is dedicated to my buddy. And these are really good quality. Nice thick paper. And of course I can't get it open one hand. I hate this hand thing. Okay, anyway, yeah, see how nice the paper is? Oh, that turned out nice. I like that one. Well, let me see here. Let's try like that. Anyway, so I took the calendar out of the box because of my arm. So this is the cover. And nice heavy paper. Got the buffalo. On these smaller prints that are in here, good thing is you get a calendar, you get 12 options for prints. Or you can have all 12 prints. This is a 5x7 mat with a 4x6 opening. So you can like drop it into a 5x7 frame. However, it's a little bit small for this. You could do it though. Or you can also order or get at any, you can order them off of Amazon or my Dick Blick. Use my Dick Blick link and order them off of there. Or you can order the mats, or you can pick up the mats at like most Hobby Lobby or Michael's. But they also have ones that are have 5x7 openings and fit into an 8x10 frame, which would probably be just about perfect for these ones to get the whole thing in there. So I wanted to show you that. And this one can go into a like this is an 11x14 pre-cut mat with an 8x10 opening, which would fit on there pretty good if you want to show the title. If you wanted to go up a little bit higher and cut off the title, I would just take a piece of black paper and put behind the hole, the calendar hole, and then you could do it that way too. So lots of options. And there is the March one. Like saying, they're printed on really nice heavy paper, so that's a good thing. And there's April with the horses, and May, and June, July, and August. That's an old-fashioned breed of cow that was at a oh, what do you call it? Shakers village in Massachusetts. When I was living on Cape Cod, we went to a Shakers village. And elk. And then we've got the wolf. And there again, like I say, this one's a 4x6 opening, but you can order pre-cut mats that have a 5x7 opening that would like show most of it and then fit into an 8x10 frame. And the dog. And the bear. So, okay, not a very good video, and I apologize, because like I say, my hand is just not doing the best cooperating tonight. So, but thanks for watching, and if you ordered your calendar, let's see, I just got 10 in, so if you're among the first 10, you'll be getting yours in the mail this week, and I'm getting ready to send off the second order pretty soon. So if you haven't gotten one yet, pre-order and you'll be in the next batch coming in. Okay, thanks. Bye.